We're going to be looking at time to the hour. Each of these clocks that are listed in this Google Classroom is an O clock, which means we're only looking at the hour hand. I always have two hands, or three if you have a second hand, but in first grade we have two hands on our clock. One for a short hour hand and one for a long minute hand. We're just going to be looking at the short hand today. Now, when I tell time to the O clock, your minute hand is going to be pointing straight up to that 12. That means your minutes, which come after your colon, are 0, 0. That means O clock. O clock means of the clock. For your hour hand, it's pointing straight to the number that is the hour. So if I'm looking at this hour hand, let's see what it's pointing to. What number is it pointing to? A 10. So that clock says it is 10 o'clock. So I need to build 10 over here in front of the colon. 10 o'clock. Now I put it in front of the colon, the dot dot, because hours come in front, minutes come behind. Let's go to our next one over here. And remember, we're looking at the hour hand, the short hand. Your minute hand is always pointing up to the 12 for an o'clock time. But your hour hand moves around the clock and points straight to the number that it wants to be at. So if I look at my hour hand here, it's pointing to what number? 5. So I'm going to take my 5 and I'm going to put it in front of the colon because that shows the hour. You may complete the rest of the clocks to the hour by yourself and then turn it in to your Google Classroom.